No, just more diamonds and gold.
Okay, don't give up hope.
Listen up! I will help you! There's only one way to get your precious water. I, your beloved King Julian, must simply make a small sacrifice to my good friends, the water gods, in the volcano!
What does that do?
What does that do? Excellent question. My sacrifice goes in the volcano, then the friendly gods eat up my sacrifice. Very nice. Thank you for the sacrifice. Please have another sacrifice. No, I've had enough for the day. Listen, I'm going to be very insulted unless you have another. I don't want another sacrifice, okay? Look at you, look skinny. No, I think I've had enough. Is that clear? The gods eat the sacrifice. They are grateful. They give me some of their water. And then I give it to you.
What?
Does it work?
No! I mean, yes. Well, Maurice?
Yeah, it's 50-50.
Excellent! Now, all I need is someone who would like to go in the volcano and get eaten by gods. Any hands? Hands, anybody? Okay, I need someone, perhaps, who has never found love. Who could look death straight in the eyeball. A real, genuine hero.
I'll do it.
Melvin?
Hurry up, before we all come to our senses.
Melvin, what is wrong with you?
I'm dying anyways. If there's a chance it will get you water, it'll be worth it.
Are you nuts?
Gloria, I just want you to know, back at the zoo, it was never the doctors or the prescriptions that kept me going. It was always you. Seeing you every day, that's what kept me going.